In this video, I am going to show you fix Google Play Store problem on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down, look for the apps option, click on it. After that, you can scroll down a little or use the search bar at the very top. Here you can simply type Play Store. After you can find the Google Play Store app name, click on it. Once you are in the app info page, look at the very bottom here, find the force stop option, click on them, then hit OK. After that, scroll down again, tap on the storage option. Then at the very bottom, look for the clear cache and clear data. Tap on both one by one. Once that is done, you can back to your home screen, then restart your phone. To do that, simply locate the power button and volume down button. Press and hold the same time both button on your phone. After that, tap on restart, then tap on restart again. But this case I am not be tap on, so my video is very long. After your phone is restart complete, simply open the Play Store app. Then log into your Google account again, and this time it worked. To check it, simply search for any name or select any name, any app in the page. For example, I am select CC wallpaper, then hit the install button, and this time it working. That's is how you can easily fix Google Play Store problem on your Android phone. If you found this guide help you, please subscribe and like this video.